All right, YouTube, quick and easy video replacing the third brake light on the 4Runner. Now here's what we got, and here's the new one. So to replace this, a couple of pry tabs you have right up under here. Let's get some light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pop this off the bottom, and then from the top it should just pull straight out. There we go. Now to replace it, we just have to remove this. So it's a twist tab for where the light goes through inside of this old one here. As you can see, the light's burnt out on that one. Could have just replaced the light with an LED, but instead, this whole thing are LEDs, and this goes straight into where the light goes. And now with my helper inside, you can see brake works. Now all I gotta do is just pop this back in. All right, this is mounted with a couple of pressure points. So once you get it in from the top and push in the bottom of it, it clicks in place and it holds it. So that's it, all done. And it kind of matches the look of what we have going on here. So really easy, really simple, really quick for replacing the third brake light on a 4Runner. And I'll catch you on the next one.